Good morning all of you. Today we are going to draw rose. For that you will need these four colors: white, geranium, primary red and maroon for rose, and you have to use these four colors for leaves. That is yellow green, light green, leaf green and dark green. Okay, so let's get started.
We'll start by outlining the sketch of a rose. Okay, just roughly sketch all the petals. Use your hand very lightly. Now I have completed drawing petals. One more here, and then I'll draw leaves. A stem, our sketch is now ready. I am using white. We will start from the middle and move forward. Okay, I am mostly using primary red and maroon. The places from where the petals are folding, I have used white there. Okay, and to differentiate between the petals, I am using black. Do not outline it completely, just a little bit will also help in differentiating. White on the top so that the light areas will be highlighted and bottoms will be darker from at the place where light is not reaching. I am now using maroon here. I haven't used tissue paper in this painting. I am just using colors to blend them together, using light and dark colors and blending them together. Use white at the edges of the petals. This will help in differentiating. Don't apply too much of dark black. If you feel that the petals are not clear, you can use black to give a little bit of outline. Don't completely outline them. Can you see how I am moving my hand in the direction where petals are folding? Okay, use your hand in the direction in which the petals are folding. Apply white at the edges and black in the bottom. Then use red to blend it all. Mostly I have used white for blending and primary red. Now as we move to the bottom, it will be much darker. Okay, so use dark colors here. Apply more of black. Always use your hand in the direction in which petals are folding. Okay, and use white at the edges. At places I am also using pencil to define the lines. White always gives a good blending effect. You have to go light and dark with the shades. Our rose is now done, so I am using black and dark green to make the leaves here. And on the right hand side of the stem I'll be using dark green. Okay, defining the lines with pencil. And giving some cuts to the petals. Use dark green on the right hand side of the stem and then use lighter shades of green in the top, on the top and bottom, and in between will be the lightest shade. I am using light green, yellow green, leaf green and dark green, and also lemon yellow at some places. You can use the shades available with you. Don't leave white spaces in between. Blend it very properly. We'll now give background to this rose. I'm using this lightest shade of purple here, grey rose. Okay, you can use any color of your choice, any light color. You can use lemon yellow or leaf green or any color of your choice. I am now using pencil to give cuts to the petals. Okay, and defining it. We will now blend the background with white. Okay, and then our painting is almost done. I want you all to submit me your paintings by clicking the picture and post it in our group.